Students, today I am going to discuss physical features of India, the plate tectonics, and the formation of the Himalayas. In geology is a science which deals with the interior of the earth. So according to geology, in the Precambrian period, in geology there are four eras: Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic and Tertiary. In the Precambrian period, the oldest geological eras, there was a single supercontinent called Pangaea. It was surrounded by a super ocean called Panthalassa. This supercontinent Pangaea was divided by a geosyncline. Geo means earth, syncline means depression, trough or dips. So there was a long, shallow, sinking and elongated sea called Sea of Tethys. It divided Pangaea into two parts. The southern part was known as the Gondwana land and the northern part was called Angara land. India was then, along with Australia, New Zealand, Africa, South America and Antarctica, was located at the South Pole. In the previous talk, I have told you the interior of the earth and the structure of the earth. The upper part, which is called crust, is divided into several parts by the convectional current emanated from the Sima layer or mantle layer. There are 7 major and several minor plates on the earth. During the Paleozoic era, there was a great earth movement, and so Pangaea was disintegrated into several parts. India and Australia moved northward and now established from 6 degree to 37 degree north of the equator. Plate tectonics justified the formation of the Himalayas. The Sea of Tethys was bounded by Angara land and Gondwana land. The rivers from Angara land and Gondwana land deposited sediments in the Sea of Tethys. It was filled and this created isostatic disequilibrium, and at the same time the convectional theory of Holmes and Holland also elaborated that a massive earth movement occurred and the sediments deposited in the Sea of Tethys sprang up in the form of the Himalayas. The Himalayas is a fold mountain. The movement of the tectonic plates are of 3 types: convergent, divergent and boundary. When two tectonic plates collide with one another, it is known as convergent. Boundary. When two plates move away from one another, it is called divergent boundary. And when two plates move horizontally to each other, it is called transform boundary. The collision of the Indo-Australian plate with the larger Eurasian plate folded the sediments in the Sea of Tethys and thus Himalayas sprang up. The formation of the Himalayas started in the Cretaceous period and it is continuing now. Himalayas is the only mountain system in the world which is rising at the rate of 5 cm per annum due to the collision of the Indo-Australian and Eurasian plate. Thank you.